This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, KHC27 broadcasting from the SCETV tower near Rock Hill, South Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This transmitter is serving Rock Hill and the Charlotte Metropolitan Area, and the surrounding Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Carolinas, on Sunday, February 16th. At Rock Hill Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 59 degrees, the dew point 37, and the relative humidity 44%. The wind was northwest at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 24. The pressure was 29.70 inches and rising. At Charlotte, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 59 degrees, the dew point 31, and the relative humidity 34%. The wind was west at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 31. The pressure was 29.69 inches and rising. At Gastonia, it was sunny. The temperature was 56 degrees. At Monroe, it was sunny. The temperature was 61 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 47 at Hickory, 51 at Shelby, and 51 at Statesville. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 54 at Greensboro, and 41 at Asheville. At Fayetteville, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 68. In South Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 57 at Greenville-Spartanburg, and 57 at Greenwood. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 63 at Columbia, and 67 at Charleston. Once again at 5 p.m., at the Rock Hill Airport, it was 59 degrees and sunny. In Charlotte, it was 59 degrees and mostly sunny. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the Western Carolinas and Northeast Georgia. A potential winter storm could impact the area Wednesday into Thursday, bringing a possible wintry mix to most of the area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Tonight, mostly clear and breezy. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming northwest 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. Washington's birthday, sunny, cooler with highs in the upper 40s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds around 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Wednesday, rain and snow. Freezing rain likely in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Near steady temperatures in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of freezing rain and snow until midnight. Lows in the mid-20s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Thursday night, clear, cold with lows 15 to 20. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Cold with lows in the lower 20s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Here is a weather statement. Wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What? West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northeast Georgia, Piedmont and western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. When? Until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., February 16, 2025. Today's high temperature of 69 degrees occurred at 1:48 p.m. The normal high is 57. The record high is 82 degrees, which was set in 2018. Today's low temperature of 42 degrees occurred at 12:52 a.m. The normal low is 35. The record low is 11 degrees, which was set in 1905. The average temperature was 56, which was 10 degrees above normal. 0.40 inches of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 3.07 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 4.66 inches. Sunset tonight is at 6:08 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:07 a.m. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, KHC27.